Welcome back. In tonight's Where's the Money report, we know that COVID-19 is creating an unexpected club, really a club that no one wanted to be a member of. We're talking about COVID widows. The initial deadly surges of the virus killed more men than women and generally targeted people over 60, so retirees and senior citizens. The women left behind now face emotional struggles and financial burdens too. And WCNC Charlotte's Michelle Bowden shares those stories and gets advice for the survivors.
We spoke to one area woman who says it's obviously tough enough just losing her husband. Now, though, she's having to navigate all kinds of things that he used to handle, and that's happening to people across the country. Pam and Rick Morrell were 10 days away from celebrating their 25th wedding anniversary.
We had a trip planned to Maui, and we didn't get to go, of course.
Her husband, Rick, passed away 6 months ago.
There's a lot of sadness, and the heartbreak, I think, lasts forever.
He got sick, the doctor didn't think much of it and sent him home to rest. But then Pam also got sick, tested positive for COVID, and soon Rick did too.
Rick was very sick.
There were highs and lows in the hospital.
The doctor called me and said, I think he's going in the right direction. I think he's going to be okay.
But just days later, a terrible turn as Rick's organs began shutting down.
It's just as if someone had reached in our home and grabbed him, stole him from me. And some days I do okay, some days I don't.
She says there is sadness, of course, but also so much fear and uncertainty.
Well, first of all, it's the loneliness. Second of all, financially, I'm not a wealthy person.
Her husband was the breadwinner and the one who handled the finances. It's a situation thousands of women across the U.S. are now facing because COVID kills more men than women, especially among senior citizens. Financial planner Jason Sermon says that's why it's important to be proactive, to have a budget and work with someone you trust to manage your money.
So have a partner, somebody that trusts, someone you trust and knows you and your family, and then have a plan. And then be able to implement that plan when life events take place.
Having retired several years ago, Pam is 70 and now looking for work.
I don't know if I could really work a full-time job. Maybe I could if anybody would hire me.
You just never pictured yourself in this position at this point in life.
Oh, no, never.
She's living with relatives for now, working at a daycare and working with her sons to get her finances figured out.
I just want people to understand what COVID has done to the seniors. I don't want people to feel sorry for Pam Morrell. I want them to be concerned about all the people out there like me that are even less fortunate.
The financial advisor we talked to points out that for people in retirement age, the bulk of their income, about 40%, comes from Social Security. So it's a good idea to check out the website ssa.gov to know your options. Reporting in Charlotte, Michelle Bowden, WCNC Charlotte.
We wanted to let you know if you're having financial struggles because of the pandemic, our Where's the Money team has put together some resources that could help. Just log on to our website, WCNC.com, and click Where's the Money at the top of the homepage to find those.